Hey everybody, DJ J here with Pioneer Pro DJ, and I want to talk about Pioneer's newest rack-mountable 19-inch mixer. This is the DJM 5000. It's an awesome mixer and I want to go through it with you. We're going to start over here on the far left in the microphone section. It comes with 2 mic channels as well as a 3rd mic in channel 1. I've got full adjustability on all my tones, high, mid, and low. Up here you see the talkover feature. It's a great feature. It allows you to adjust what level the music turns down while you're talking, so you never have any dead space. You simply engage it, and I'm using it right off the bat. I've got 4 effects right here on the mixer. These are strictly for the microphones. Great for you karaoke guys and gals, because you're going to have reverb, you're going to have pitch, you're going to have an octavator allowing you to get that 2nd octave for a singer when they get to a chorus line or if they want background vocals, and you have an echo reverb combined effect. These are great. You adjust them right here on these 2 pots in the middle. Now, I want to talk about this middle section. You see up here on the top, I've got lines 1 and 2 working, and I've got them set up digitally. It has 2 digital inputs. I'm using the MEP 7000 with this mixer today. It's a great fit, and I'm running digitally out of the MEP and into the DJM 5000. I also have the availability to go with CD or line on all 4 channels. The big thing is, you'll notice it says USB 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. I'm allowed to set it up with USB because I have a built-in sound card. So if I want to use a program on a laptop and I need the sound to come out, I can hook it directly into a USB port on the back of this mixer. Down here at the bottom next to my crossfader, I've got this MIDI button for off-on. Once I turn it on, 61 points on the mixer become MIDI assignable. What that means is, if you have a program that speaks MIDI, you're allowed to take different buttons and knobs and faders and hook them up with another program that has MIDI and use them. So if you're not using channel 3, let's say, you could turn it into a MIDI channel, and as you fade up, a process on a laptop software program will work with it. It's an awesome feature if you're doing anything digitally where you need MIDI. Over here on, let's call it the output section, I've got my master output you're used to, but here I've got an assignable zone output. You're doing an event, you have a speaker in another room, out on a patio, near a bar, wherever, you can actually assign which one of these channels or the microphones goes to just that speaker. It's fully assignable. An incredible feature. You want to have one set of music going outside and something else going inside, or you want to make an announcement inside but not outside, this gives you that availability. Last part over here, I've got the sound maximizer, clarity and dynamics. This means I can turn up the treble or the bass on the output of the master channel. It works just like one of the signal processors you might normally load into the rack. You'll notice there's no effects here, but you do see the send return. It allows me to put in an EFX 500 or even an EFX 1000 and adjust it by this level knob. So I've got all these different features in this one rack-mountable mixer. It's going to be an incredible tool for mobile guys, club guys, anyone DJing. This is DJ J with Pioneer Pro DJ and the Pioneer Pro DJ DJM 5000.